Descent protocol.
Orbital lock confirmed. Drexilon-2 registers as a dormant satellite with no detectable magnetic field. Atmospheric presence? None. Complete vacuum. Descent velocity stable. Entry friction negligible. Suggests synthetic outer shell or abandoned industrial layering. Outer crust reflects sporadic radiation spikes, inconsistent with stellar activity. Telemetry delay, 0.06 seconds. No external interference detected. Landing zone appears rigid, weathered, but unbroken.
Surface layer scan.
Primary terrain consists of fibrous ridges and metallic threads layered without symmetry. Reflectivity scattered. Microfacets glint without pattern, as if once aligned, but now unraveled. Surface texture registers abrasion, clustering consistent with corrosion rather than erosion. No sediment detected. Crust appears fixed yet porous, possibly ventilated. Structural integrity holds, but composition lacks cohesion typical of natural formation. This surface is not stone, nor metal. It is residue.
Mineral composition report.
Spectral analysis shows composite alloy presence. Titanium-laced ferrite with nickel overtones. Trace elements include osmium and tellurium, both rare in non-industrial bodies. Grain boundary fractures echo electron microscope images from Earth-based fatigue tests. Submicron filaments detected, possibly nanostructured. Remnants of containment mesh or sensor weave. Energy absorption spectrum aligns loosely with materials flagged in the LUNEX archive. Carter analysis, 2023. This is not native ore. This was built.
Structural anomalies.
Central plateau forms an irregular arc. Radius matches no known tectonic uplift model. Edges terminate in filament decay, as if torn by molecular separation, not mechanical force. No fracture propagation, rather molecular realignment across stress points. Radiograph mapping reveals layered stress veining below. Engineered, not geological. One segment displays echo-like resonance, repeating every 7.3 seconds without input. Feedback loop or malfunctioning relic.
Subsurface behavior.
Probe burrow halted at 3.4 meters. Hard stop. No compression detected. Surface gives slightly, but then repels, suggesting embedded reinforcement or active denial layer. Localized density increases exponentially with minimal depth gain. Not natural compaction. Gravitational microshifts recorded every 4 minutes in adjacent sectors. Unseen movement. Acoustic ping mapping fails. Returns identical null wave across all angles. A silenced core or sealed vault.
Energy and resonance.
Electromagnetic spectrum shows staggered pulses at 4.19 Hz, nested within a secondary hum. Thermal differential across surface. Flat, except brief upticks at particulate clusters. Temporal dilation detected at micro levels. Frame drift matches artificial resonance field. Similar fluctuations noted in archival scans from the Itokawa debris sheath. Referencing Abe and team 2006. No central source located. Signal origin refracted or dispersed deliberately.
Possible origins.
Hypotheses divided. 1. Drexilon-2 was once a structural fragment of a larger machine body, orbitally discarded. 2. It is a self-contained signal node, rendered obsolete or corrupted. Material history suggests layered use, construction, deconstruction, then fusion. If natural, it mimics design too closely. If artificial, decay mimics geology too well. It sits between categories. That may be the intent.
Presence detection.
Biosignature scans. Negative. No organics, no amino presence. Yet subsurface electromagnetic interference resembles recursive activation spikes. Pattern suggests outdated AI echo, stuck in initialization loop, possibly thousands of cycles old. Singular EM burst, logged at 07:13:32. 5 pulses in golden ratio sequence. Interference cleared instantly. No source found. Nothing living here, but something once watched.
Cognitive reflection.
This place feels hushed. Not abandoned, but concluded. Surface scars seem deliberate, like endings etched in alloy skin. Drexilon-2 holds a silence sharper than vacuum, charged with potential, forever unrealized. The stillness is not passive. It resists interpretation, like a closed circuit with no key. No trace of ritual, no sign of conflict, only the suggestion that something once mattered here. It doesn't warn. It records. A surface designed to outlive context without explanation. We touch it now, but it will never touch back.
Mission closure.
Full scan cycle complete. No further anomalies observed. No data transmission detected beyond local echo field. Probe remains operational. Observation mode active. Environmental conditions remain stable. Vacuum pressure consistent. No motion detected. Surface remains unchanged. No reaction to presence. All collected data archived to secure relay buffer. Mission designation locked, Drexilon-2. Mission 003 logged. End of transmission.